Okay, start by unscrewing all the screws around here and open the box. Okay, open it. Now that you have the board, you have to solder 4 jumper in this place. I have already soldered. Okay, you can see the job done. Should come something like this. This is the pinout of your Sonoff board. The first pin is the 3.3 volt, and you have to connect this pin to the 3.3 volt of your serial adapter. Please be sure again to choose a serial adapter that output 3.3 volt and not 5 volt like someone does. Then we have the RX pin. The RX pin is the receiving pin of the Sonoff, so we have to connect it to the transmitting pin of our serial adapter. And then we have the transmitting pin of our Sonoff, and we have obviously to connect it to the receiving pin of our serial adapter. And then the last one is GND, that stays for ground, and we have to connect the ground of our Sonoff to the ground of our serial adapter. Instead, the GPIO 14 is not needed, so we cannot connect it. I have done this by simply solder 4 wires to this very cheap USB programmer. This is a USB to serial programmer used for program the ESP01. When you choose yours, you have to check that is a 3.3 volt like this, not a 5 volt, otherwise you are going to burn your Sonoff. And this is the detail of the connection that you have to make. So, okay, pay very attention to this thing because it's important. Of course, if you choose a different USB to serial adapter, you have to check the respective pin and connect correctly. Now the first thing that you have to do before programming your Sonoff is install the driver. If you have a Mac, this is a very good driver for your serial adapter board. You can search CH340G on github.com and follow the first link. I mean, at current time is the first link. Now you can open the folder that I've sent to you and you can see its content. Inside the firmware folder, you can see the 3.bin compiled code that you have to install in your Sonoff. I have already put the flash.sh script for help you to program in the right way. This line is the only thing that you should change eventually if it's different in your case. So now be sure to connect your serial adapter to your computer. In order to check the right serial port adapter name on your computer, open your terminal and type ls/dev/cu*. And as you can see, this is the content of my /dev/cu* folder. This is the string that you have to copy and paste on your flash.ch file. Now this should be your situation. You have configured the flash.sh script. You have disconnected from the power line Sonoff that you have connected to your serial adapter. It's very important that Sonoff is disconnected from the power line, otherwise if you plug in the serial adapter while it's connected, you can burn your Sonoff and your computer, and this is not really funny. So please check that you have connected everything right, and you can insert your Sonoff to your serial adapter in your computer by keep pressed the only button that the Sonoff have, this one. This is important because you are telling your Sonoff that it's programming mode. This button is connected to GPIO 0 of the ESP8266, and this tells the Sonoff to go in program mode. So this is very important. So I keep press the button and I insert the serial adapter in my computer. Okay, now I can also release the power button, and the only thing that I have to do is // .sh. And as I press enter, the script starts to program my Sonoff. It's connecting, it starts to program it. This takes a while, and after this we can add the new Sonoff with Homekit capabilities into our home app in our iPhone. Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, and we can see that the green LED indicates the programming went successfully. Now, if I check on my iPad under the Wi-Fi in settings, I can see a new Wi-Fi called Sonoff switch and some serial number. If I try to connect that, it's an open network, so it will no password required. A captcha, it's opened, and you have to choose your Wi-Fi network where the Sonoff is going to be connected. So I type in my password now, and I hit join. Now the captcha close. The Sonoff is connected to the network now. It's refreshing. And I can open my home app. Now I have to tap plus, add accessory. I don't have the code or cannot scan it. And I can see the new Sonoff switch right here. Now it's warning me that it's not an official, certified accessory. I add it anyway. And the password to type is all 11111. Now it's starting the pairing. This is going to take a while, like 30 seconds. After this time, the Sonoff will be permanently added to your home app. And you can control it with Siri or your Mac or whatever. It flashes, it indicates that the pairing is done. You can rename it, you can do whatever you want, like a normal HomeKit accessory, and then you're done. Now you are connecting your Sonoff, you're controlling your Sonoff using the HomeKit app. And also you can use this gesture or whatever. Hope you enjoyed this video. The last thing that is remaining to do is unplug everything and put it back in its case, connect to power line and control everything. Goodbye. The most common problems that I have found by preparing this Sonoff is that the Sonoff or have strange behavior or it doesn't create the Wi-Fi network. This can be caused by stale data in the flash memory of the Sonoff and can be easily solved by erasing the flash memory before programming it. And you can do it by simply using the erase flash.sh script that I provided to you. The second problem instead is that the Sonoff doesn't show up in the HomeKit when you try to discover it. This can be easily solved by pressing the button a couple of times, because when you press the button, the Sonoff tells to the HomeKit servers that the light is on and off, and so the app refreshes. And if it still doesn't appear, please kill your app and open again. Last advice that is very useful is that If you have some problem with your Sonoff, it doesn't work anymore, it has some strange behavior, you can simply keep press the only button that has for a couple of seconds, and it will reset everything. It will be factory new with obviously the Homekit firmware installed, so you can restart the pairing again by connecting to the Wi-Fi network and then add it to the Homekit app. Another advice is that if you need to remove your Sonoff from your list of devices, do it while your Sonoff is connected.